So today's video we'll be installing this FitCamX. It's like a dash cam that's like pretty cool. I'll show you in a second. Like it completely replaces the OEM mount down here. So that's pretty sweet. What we're gonna do is get everything old disconnected. Oh, they both came off at the same time. That's supposed to come off first, and that comes off. Black piece off first, pull it down, and then just push this forward. And then these two clips right here, those two orange clips will come off. And we're gonna need these orange clips for later. It comes with this like adapter that you'll need to unplug the old one and plug this one in. I'm gonna get these old clips off. Lift up on it, then grab the bottom and slide it out. Just gonna slide it back in, and just slide right back in. It's a new one. Alright, cool. Now we can mount this up, get our wire connected. It is directional, so let's slide that in. Nice and neat back in there. They also give you a new one of these two in the kit. And that's pretty simple. Now I got like an OEM look. You can see the buttons on there. Let's see if we get started up. And then we're gonna want to connect to the app. Just FitCamX app on the Play Store / App Store. Connect to the app now, and that's what y'all can see. Got a live view of the outside. So that's pretty sweet. And the quality looks pretty good on the phone too. So you can turn it sideways. Pretty good quality, pretty wide field of view. You can actually see the hood. It's like a first-person driver game. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's the FitCamX. It's a pretty seamless look to it. Looks almost OEM look, so I appreciate that. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. See ya.